Hello guys, welcome again to Rose Alcido Beauty. We are once again here to give you and share with you the tips and tricks of using a hand cream or a hand balm or whatever you're using for your hands, maybe a moisturizer or something like that, okay? So the issue really with hand cream is this. It's not only that it doesn't really work for some, the hand area is still very dry, it's still very wrinkly, it's still very aging. So the more we apply something on the hands, the more it will help us out. Okay, so today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks of how to correctly apply a hand cream. And one of the issues of using hand cream, that's why a lot of people is that want to use a hand cream, is that when you apply it on your hands, it feels very oily on the palms of your hands, okay? And if you have a very luxurious bag, a luxury bag, you really don't want to use a hand cream because you don't want the oils to transfer to the $6,000 bag that you have. Like if you have a Louis Vuitton, you know, the oil transfer from your hands to your bags or maybe to your silk dress, you really don't want it to happen. And that is one of the issues as well. A lot of women does not want to use a hand cream. And so if you are not using a hand cream and we are washing our hands a lot of times, more than our face, more than our bodies, because we go to the restroom, we go outside, we always wash our hands. And I would always suggest that every time you are outside and you go home, the first that you have to do, I have always advised my kids and my clients to always, the first thing that you when you arrive home is to wash your hands, because you have been outside and you have been touching all of the elements of dirt, whatever it is outside of your home, and you don't want to bring it to your home. So you always have to use you wash your hands when you go home. And that is one of the tips that I want to impart to you. Another thing is almost always, I am a licensed professional esthetician. I always wash my hands, not only 10 times a day, but more, because I always wash my hands. In between clients, I wash my hands. During a facial, I multiple times I wash my hands. So my hands through the years has really suffered a lot. So I do really want my hands to be moisturized, more protective. So I take care of my hands, okay? Because this is one area of the body that will give out your age. So if you don't want to look like you're aging, take care of your hands by doing some things. Okay, one thing. So if you have a day of beauty, you are using maybe like a Sunday or any day of the week for a beauty day, include your hands in your beauty regimen. Always include it. Always include it, of course, in your daily thing. Before you go to bed, you moisturize your hands, okay? So that it's like a treatment, okay? When whatever you do to your face, whatever you do to your eye, to your neck, that is also what you will do to your hands, okay? So one thing is, on the day that you have a day of beauty, is exfoliate your hands, okay? If you have a scrub, a body scrub or something like that, you exfoliate your hands. Like really use exfoliating. If you don't have, you make an exfoliator. Like mix maybe a teaspoon of sugar. I don't want salt, okay? sugar, because it is an alpha hydroxy acid. That's one also of the acids. The property of sugar is an acid. So sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, mix it with any oils that you have. Maybe you have a coconut oil, maybe you have an olive oil. Mix it and make it into a paste, and then apply it on your hands, your arms, your hands, your knees, or your elbows as an exfoliator. But always use an exfoliator for your hands. At least once a week. But I don't do once a week. I do twice a week, because I am very careful with my hands, because I've always, through the years, have used my hands for my work as an esthetician. I always wash my hands, and when I'm out, every time I go home, always wash my hands before I do anything else. So, okay, so on the day of beauty, so of course you will have to have your mask, your eye thing, all of your serums, or all of your lotions, all of your peels, whatever you're doing, include your hands in that regimen. Okay, so first is you exfoliate. Of course, as I've said, sugar scrub, sugar mixed with your oils. You exfoliate it until it's squeaky clean. You wash it. Okay, wash. Okay, the tip that I will have to tell you is this. Okay, the palm of our hands, they cannot absorb anything. It's non-absorbent, guys. It is God's gift to us. It does not absorb anything. It just stays there. That's why when you use a hand cream, it stays on the palm of your hands, and whatever you do, like you apply it on your whatever it is, your hand, your knee, your arms, your whatever, it still stays there. Okay, the tip that I'm going to give you today will be this. Okay, for any hand cream, if you have a hand cream, this is what I use. Okay, it's for the face, but it's luxurious for me. I use it for my hands. So what I do is I will apply a little bit, not a lot, because that is not used to be so. Do not apply it on the palm of your hands, guys. Apply it at the back of your hands and do this. You don't apply it on the palm of your hands. You massage your cream like this, so that you will not use your palms. Make a fist, and then just do this, so that you will prevent the hand cream to really go into your palm and be an issue there, so that you cannot use a hand cream because you don't want to transfer your oils to your bags. That costs you multiple thousands of dollars. Okay, so this is what you will do. So what I do is I use first a cream. I do use two types. I use that cream, and then I use a gel form, and I apply it here a little bit. You see that? That's all I have, because I have already multiple moisturization in that palm. And still, again, it is this way. I make a fist, and then I apply it. Because this is really your issue. It's not the palm of your hands. It is the back of your hands that is wrinkly, dry, and issues that. So I make a fist and do this to my hands. I can be vigorous. I mean, I so I don't really, I'm very careful that I will not really put it around my palm, because I don't want the oils to be in my bags. And so if there are still, extra, then I will do that to my arms. Okay? Moisturize. And then, that's it. I don't have anything on my palm. So I can, and what I do is, because of course it's still, there are still oils surrounding it, surrounding my hands or whatever, I do this so that I will just like dry it out, okay? So that is really the tip for today, guys. That is how you will take care of your hands, applying your hand cream. Be very careful that you will not apply it on the palm of your hands, because you don't want the oils to transfer to the luxurious bags that you have that cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, guys? Thank you very much for being with me today, and thank you for being part of the Rose Alcero Beauty community. Like, subscribe, comment, guys, okay? Because it will help out, bring you more videos, bring you more education, bring you more educational things that I have researched, that are tips from the trade for 30 years of being a licensed professional esthetician in New York City. I am currently, for those of you who doesn't know, and go to the new visitor, new visitor on the area of your YouTube thing, and there is an uploaded video there that will introduce you to what I do, so that you will know the background, you will share it with your friends, and so they will also know best what to do with everything beauty. Okay, so we're not really like crazy about like being beautiful or something. We're not trying hard to be beautiful. We are not trying hard, guys. We're just being, participate in the things that are available to us, things that concerns us, things that bothers us. And if I was able to help you out in some way, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thank you, guys, and I will be uploading videos supposedly twice a week. We will try once a week, maybe once every Sunday evening we're going to upload videos. I am busy because I am doing my research, developing products for you. And if you have anything, any of your concern, anything, if you have, issues about the skin, about skincare treatments, about products, let me know, and we're going to do a research on that, okay? And we're going to help each other in whatever we can do to make our lives easy, to make our lives beautiful, to make us a better person and a better community. Okay? Thank you, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Great day to all of us. God bless you all. Bye-bye.